Hello everybody, Shibuya. Today we're gonna react to two Japanese wildcards for the GBB. First one is Juno, a loop station wildcard, and I think a lot of people, especially under the Japanese videos, told me I have to react to Juno. I hope I pronounced it right. And of course, you all been waiting for ZieGer, GBB24 tag team wildcard. Last year they had the #2 tag team wildcard. I'm gonna react to Sound of Sony. So what should I start? Tag team or Juno? I think I'm gonna start with tag team. So let's check out ZieGer GBB wildcard. Let's go.
We are ZieGer from Japan.
ZieGer, not G. Did I say it right?
Oh, that's so good.
We found the love in a whole space. Whoa. We found the love in a whole space. We found the love in a whole space. Whoa. We found the love in a whole space. Make you crazy. We've been wrong. Whole breast face. It's gonna be. We found love. We found what it. We found love. It's gonna be. We found love. We found what it. In a switch. My life used to buy me when no one else, nobody can rock. They can't buy me when no one else, nobody can rock me. Yo, I get ready for a semi stop. This time we're the lane. Nobody can drop me.
Okay, ZieGer from Japan. Man, that's fucking good. Good structure, good coordination, good harmonies, good singing, good beatbox, I think, because they are so in sync, and I haven't seen a lot of wildcards on that level yet. I think they'll win a tag team wildcard, I'm pretty sure. There's a few days left in the deadline, but still really good chance. So next, I'm gonna react to Juno. Juno? Shit. Let's go. Where are you? Here.
It's Juno from Japan, and this is my loop station wildcard for GBB24
Juno.
World League. Hope you enjoy.
I think I will. Okay. What? What the fuck, bro? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh my god! Wow, okay, that was so good. Oh, now I know it because everyone told me to react. This is so good. Oh my god, this is like, I mean, the beat switches, the in-between, and the solo. Then he sang in between. Oh, I think this is really, really high up there. From the other wildcards I saw, Cardona was really good. ZieGer was really good. But the rest, I think, maybe is second or third place. Oh, it was so good. I enjoyed it so much. I just want to listen to it over and over again. Man, Juno. Oh, it's so good. Okay, for the last video of this, let's check out Sound of Sony with Crabsley and his crew.
1, 2, 3. Yo, we are Sound of Sony Omega from Japan. This is our crew wildcard for the GBB24 World League. Please check it out. I love people. We love people. Distant and cloud. No, that's not going back. Let's go inside. Hasta la vista, baby. Yo.
Oh!
Yo.
Wing!
Okay, last sheet. This is our original song. Yume Saga Let It On. Listen. Yume Saga Let It On. Yume Saga Let It On. With the study don don, the study don. Yume Saga Let It On. With the study don don, Yume Saga Let It On. Showtimeだ。Let's go. watching our video. 2スピットをしましょう。Showing GBB.
Oh my god! Sound of Sony! This was so good, especially this like snare combos you all did together, and then like this pattern that you went through the entire crew, and then the last original track for me really sounded like an anime intro or something, like a superhero movie or so, yeah, like an anime. Oh, so much energy, and then the special sounds so good, and it's only 3 people. Can you believe that? The sound is so big, but it's only 3 people. Wow. Okay. I think with this video, let's, by the way, subscribe to Crapsley, of course. I think all 3 can win a wildcard. I haven't seen any crew wildcards yet. I mean, Sarukani is the reigning champion. I don't know if there's other crews that are like so in sync, really nice performance, nice bass, nice overall. It was also really nice produced video, good audio, good video. Good singing, good beatbox. Man, I'm really proud again of the Japanese beatbox community. Every time we have a competition, there's more and more crazy Japanese teams, tech teams, loop artists coming out and really delivering and really making a good chance for themselves. Last time Gyro came in. Let's see which new team or loop station will like take over the beatbox world this year. Yeah, I can't wait. Huge shout out to the Japanese beatbox community. I can't wait to come back to Japan. Probably I come to Japan for GBB, so yeah, I will be there in Japan, meeting you all again. We can talk again, we can beatbox again. I really miss Japan. Much love to you, much love to the beatbox community, to all these artists. Please follow them, check out their original music. You know the drill. And please leave a like and comment on this video. This really helps me so much to do more of these. If there's no likes and comments and no views, I stop doing these. And if there are, I'm gonna do more and more. So it's all up on you. I really love you. Really love the chance to making this beatbox as my life. Love it so much. Bye bye.